Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back today with a little bit of a January favorites, and by a little bit, I mean a lot of it. Anyway, I have a series of things here to show you guys, and I'm very excited because all of these things are really great, and they're not even like January favorites, they're more like holy grail items, but for the sake of this video, we'll call them January favorites. So let's jump right in. For my first product, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna start with hair product. The holy grail hair product that if you want your hair to be like at its best, you need this in your life. I don't care if you have curly, straight, short, long, blonde, brunette, whatever. It's a 10. It's so amazing. This is the conditioner. I got this at Walgreens. It does absolutely everything. It detangles, imparts incredible softness, reduces frizz, you don't get any buildup. It helps preserve your hair color, so if you dye your hair, this is great for you. It has UV protection. It hydrates your hair and your scalp. It restores shine, infuses strength and vitality, and is good for when you're using thermal styling products. So I personally, as a curly hair gal and as a person whose hair gets like oily very quickly, this doesn't make my hair very oily, so I'll use this toward the root. And then for the piece de resistance, here's what I use for the tips. Now, my Dominicans are gonna know what I'm talking about, or anybody who like styles their hair with Dominican people are gonna know exactly what I'm talking about, but this is so bomb. It makes your hair super strong, it helps it grow, it helps it resist heating products. It's just all around amazing, and the best part is that it's super inexpensive. You can probably find it at like your local Latino pharmacy store. It brings so much product. It smells amazing. And a little bit goes a long way. I'll use it's a 10 from like here up to here, and then all the way down I'll use the CRECE PELO. And it is so good. Your hair gets so strong. So yeah, if you want amazing hair, this is the combination you need in your life. Quote me. Next hair product. We're back with it's a 10. But this time I use the KERATIN, the Miracle Leave-In plus KERATIN Leave-In Conditioner. Conditioner. I have to sneeze, wait. Okay, so the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner is amazing. Like, you put this on your hair after you've obviously rinsed out all the conditioner. Your hair just gets so much stronger. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Like, my hair has done such a change after I started using the two It's a 10, the conditioner and leave-in, with the CRECE PELO. Don't forget the CRECE PELO. Don't sleep on it, y'all. We're gonna move on to fragrances. Now, these are my two babies right now. The first one, Blonde Rose by Clean Reserve. So amazing. Guys, if you want to smell like an amazing forest, like clean goddess, this is what you need. Let's see if it has, it says it's like a floral musk. So it's very like natural, clean, delicious, but it also has like a hint of like a man's perfume all the way toward the end. I'm obsessed with it. So good. Love it. And I like to mix my perfume with body spray a lot of the time. And right now I'm obsessed with Rose. This was a new fragrance by BATH&BODYWORKS. Not only is the packaging adorable, like super chic, right? It also smells like literal, like rose, like I mean, so good. So these two are my daily combination. I'm obsessed with them right now, and I suggest everyone check it out if these are your flavors. I mean, scents. There are very few products that I like to splurge on, and I was looking for a moisturizer because my skin was getting a little dry, but I didn't want to spend too much money, so I hit up Target and I came across this baby. As you can see, not only is it almost empty, but it has some battle scars, aka makeup stains all over the place. It's the E.L.F. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. I think it was like $10 at Target. It is so good. I've been wearing this as kind of like a primer because I haven't really been using primer. My skin is going through something right now where it's like changing a lot, so it's not like as oily as it used to be. I think I'm a little more combination now, and I've been wearing this under my makeup, and it's amazing. Like, my skin feels amazing. I'll even wear it like before bed, in the morning, after randomly washing my face. So good. So if you have like oily to combination skin, check this out. This is amazing. Also, if you are like battling with like eczema or, you know, any sort of extreme ashiness that you need a handle, check out this little product by Pharmacy. It kind of reminds me of like Vaseline. It's called Honey Savior All-in-One Skin Repair Salve, and it has echinacea and obviously honey. It not only smells like honey, but it's so good, guys. Like, I had dry patches like here and like on my temples, and my little cousin Gianna, she works at Sephora, and she hooked me up with this. It is amazing. If you're like battling with eczema or dry patches, anything like that, this is good for like your elbows. I use it on my lips. I've used it on my feet before. I've used it on my face, literally anywhere. I actually like to mix it in with my lotion after I shower, and I come out feeling like a beautiful dolphin. Eva NYC Dry Shampoo. It is so good. It's one of the few dry shampoos that like leaves my hair feeling like light, fresh. Like if I actually just like blow dried it or washed it or whatever. You can use this after like 2-3 days of not washing your hair, or like after working out. I like to use it as like a preventative thing sometimes. So if like I worked out, I'll spray some of this even if I like just wash my hair that day, because that way it won't get as oily as quickly. It's really good. You can find this at usually any drugstore or probably Ulta. Awesome. Pick this up, and it's cheap. I approve. Now, let's move on to beauty favorites. I'm gonna start off with the highlighter that has like owned my heart for the past few months. I got this as a Secret Santa, and I wouldn't have purchased it otherwise because I just thought it was too much hype. The Fenty Beauty KILLAWAT highlighter. If you're an olive tone goddess and want to just look like, I don't know, you're exuding freaking gold amazingness from your skin, you need this in your life. It is so good. It has 2 different colors. Obviously, I like to mix them both together and put them on to give me, you know, a little glow. It is amazing, guys. It is worth the hype. I wasn't a believer until I got this for Christmas. Everyone needs to go get it because it's flippin' bomb. Let's move on to brows. I've been going through a moment of like not really wanting to fill in my brows because it honestly takes like 15 extra minutes, and who has that time when you're like getting ready to like go out or to work or whatever. Guys, everybody needs to pass by their drugstore and pick up Brow Drama by Maybelline. It is a life changer. I got it in soft brown because I don't like for my brows to be so dark. I like them actually to be like a little bit lighter than my hair color. I'll usually go over my brows like 2 or 3 times with it so it can give me a little more color and a little more coverage. It is so good. It fills up any sparse areas you may have, and it gives you that like spidery, feathery brow that's really on trend right now. And I think it was like $8 or $9. I got this at Walgreens, and I'm sure you can find it at any drugstore. Amazing. Everybody needs this. Go. But finish watching this video first. For concealer. Again, back with the affordable products, guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look fabulous. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I think this was like $3 or $4. I got this at Target as well. It is so good. It does not crease under my eye. Sometimes I'll like use it on the bridge of my nose, and sometimes I'll put some on my chin. It is really good. This color though, I got it. It's like a little light for me, but I noticed that after like I bronze or whatever, it kind of blends in. So it's like super chill. And I mean, come on, for like $2-3, anyone can get this. So I suggest you give it a try. I don't know what it's a dupe for. I just know that I love it. I'm not a big false lash person because I just feel like it's another addition to the already long process that is getting ready for an outing or for the day or for whatever. But if you want amazing long lashes that are thick, I personally love like a spidery lash because I think it looks really cool. And my little cousin Gianna, back at it again with the hookups, hooked me up with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is another product that I thought was just like all about the hype, and I was like, I'm not gonna spend however much it costs to buy this thing because I can just get a Maybelline or whatever at the drugstore. Guys, this is worth it. It is so good. If you're into like the spidery, thicker lash, and if you have like longer lashes, I suggest you get it. It not only volumizes, but it lengthens and it makes you look like you're wearing falsies, and who wouldn't want that? I mean, come on. Better than sex. It actually is. So Wet n Wild, if you haven't tried their Photo Focus Foundation, baby, what is you doing? Like, what is you doing? This foundation is like $5 or $6 depending on your local drugstore. I suggest anyone with like oily or combination skin to try this because it's a very mattifying foundation. Otherwise, I suggest if you are gonna try it and you have drier skin to use like a more hydrating primer and a hydrating moisturizer so that it's not extremely mattifying. And obviously, like use a nice hydrating setting spray. But guys, this is so good. It lasts all day, and I'm like, now I'm combination, but I was normally very oily. And I wear this and I don't have to blot. Like I'll put it on in the morning and I won't have to blot until like 4 p.m., which is insane. It is so beautiful. It looks great on camera. I'm actually wearing it right now. And I mixed together golden beige and desert beige, and this is my perfect color combination. They do have a wider range of colors online. In store, I haven't really seen too much of a wider range of color, which like isn't too cool, but I know Wet n Wild is gonna fix that. I know they will. But if you are looking for an awesome foundation that's mattifying, cheap and chic, Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Tell them I sent you. This is a random favorite, but I couldn't end this video without adding it in because I love it, and that's it. I love candles. They're amazing. I love Bath & Body Works because you guys have me hooked on your stuff. And if you're looking for a candle that will help you feel like you're in a spa when you're actually stressed out at home, pick up the Eucalyptus candle by Bath & Body Works. It smells so freaking good. I can compare it to soap. I know that kind of sounds weird, but it smells so clean and relaxing to me. I love it. I always put it in the shower, before I shower and during my shower, and it just helps me come out wanting to solve the world's problems, wanting to be a better person. I want to solve world hunger after I light this candle. So anyone who's stressed, spend some $15 on this, unless they're on sale. Then you can get them for like $12 or $8.99. But Eucalyptus candle by Bath & Body Works, you need it. Well guys, that concludes my monthly favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to do this on the monthly basis. Let's see how that goes. I'll try to mainly add in inexpensive products, but I'll try to sprinkle in some high-end ones as well. Thumbs it up if you loved this video. Thumbs it up if you didn't. Help your girl out. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.